8th class Mathematics, Rational Numbers. In the previous classes, we learn about some properties of the rational numbers like closure property and the commutative property. Today we learn about the properties of rational numbers. Third one, associative property. In this case 1, associative property under addition. If a comma b comma c are any three rational numbers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This property is known as associative property under addition. Any three rational numbers add any way will get the same answer. A plus b plus c is in the left hand side of the equation. A plus b plus c is the right hand side of the equation. So we will take one example. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 are three rational numbers. Let we take a is equal to 1 by 8, b is equal to 2 by 8, c is equal to 3 by 8. LHS side of the property a plus b plus c is equal to, what is the a here? 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus b is equal to 2 by 8 plus c is equal to 3 by 8. Take in the one bracket. Is equal to 1 by 8 plus, here denominators are the equal, so add the numerators. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 by 8 is equal to, here 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 plus 5 by 8. 1 plus 5 is the 6 by 8. LHS is equal to 6 by 8. RHS is equal to a plus b plus c. What is the a here? 1 by 8. B is equal to 2 by 8. C is equal to 3 by 8. Here add these two fractions. 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Here denominators are the same, add the numerators. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 by 8. RHS is also 6 by 8. LHS is equal to RHS. That means a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Therefore, the rational numbers satisfy associative property under addition. Case 2. Associative property under subtraction. If a comma b comma c are any three rational numbers, then a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. This property is known as associative property under subtraction. Example, 1 by 5 comma 2 by 5 comma 3 by 5 are three rational numbers. We will take a is equal to 1 by 5, b is equal to 2 by 5, c is equal to 3 by 5. Substitute these three values in the LHS. Is equal to a minus b minus c is equal to, a is equal to 1 by 5 minus b is equal to 2 by 5 minus c is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 minus, first simplify the bracket value, 2 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Here minus 3 is the big number, minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 minus plus 1 by 5. Here denominators are the same, add the numerators. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 by 5. LHS is equal to 2 by 5. RHS is equal to a minus b minus c is equal to, a is the 1 by 5 minus b is equal to minus 2 by 5. Bracket minus 3 by 5 is equal to, simplify the bracket value. 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 2. Here minus 2 is the big number, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to, here denominators are the same, add the numerators. Minus 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to, here same number is there, add these two numbers, minus 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 4 by 5. LHS not equal to RHS. LHS is the 2 by 5, RHS is the minus 4 by 5. These two numbers are not equal. Therefore, A minus B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. Therefore, we know that the rational numbers do not satisfy associative property under subtraction. Case 3. Associative property under multiplication. If A comma B comma C are any three rational numbers, then A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This property is known as associative property under multiplication. Take the example 1 by 5 comma 2 by 5 comma 3 by 5 are three rational numbers. A is equal to 1 by 5, B is equal to 2 by 5, C is equal to 3 by 5. Take the LHS. A into B into C is equal to A is equal to 1 by 5 into B is equal to 2 by 5 into C is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 into, simplify the bracket value. 1 by 5 into 2 3 is 6 by 5 5 is 25 is equal to, multiply 1 into 6 by 5 into 25 is equal to 6 by 5 into 25 is equal to 125. LHS is equal to 6 by 125. RHS is equal to A into B into C. 1 by 5 into 2 by 5 bracket into 3 by 5 is equal to 1 2 is 2 by 5 5 is 25 into 3 by 5 is equal to 2 into 3 by 25 into 5 is equal to 2 3 is 6 by 25 5 is 125. RHS is also 6 by 125. LHS is equal to RHS. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Therefore, we know that the rational number satisfy associative property under multiplication. Case 4. Associative property under division. If A comma B comma C are any three rational numbers, then A divided B divided C is equal to A divided B divided C. This property is known as associative property under division. Example 1 by 5 comma 2 by 5 comma 3 by 5 are three rational numbers. We will take A is equal to 1 by 5, B is equal to 2 by 5, C is equal to 3 by 5. LHS is equal to A divided B divided C is equal to 1 by 5 divided 2 by 5 divided 3 by 5, take in the one bracket. 1 by 5 divided 2 by 5 into, here division becomes multiplication. Take the second fraction, reciprocal of the fraction. 2 by 5 into 5 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 5 divided 2 5 is 10 by 15 is equal to 1 by 5 into, take the second fraction, reciprocal of the fraction, 15 by 10. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, that is equal to 3 by 10. LHS is equal to 3 by 10. Next take the RHS. A divided B bracket divided C is equal to, here A is equal to 1 by 5 divided B is equal to 2 by 5. Take in the one bracket. Divided 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Here division becomes multiplication, means the second fraction is the reciprocal. 5 by 2. 1 5 is 5 by 5 2 is 10 divided 3 by 5. 5 by 10 into 3 by 5 taken as the reciprocal, 5 by 3. 5 2 is 5 1 ja. 5 1 ja 5 by 2 3 is 6. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is the 3 by 10. RHS is the 5 by 6. So A divided B divided C is not equal to A divided B divided C. The rational numbers do not satisfy associative property under division. Fourth property, identity property. In this case 1, additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. 0 is added to any number, will get the same number. That's why 0 is known as the additive identity. If A is any rational number, then A plus 0 is equal to A. or 0 plus a is equal to a. Example, any rational number added to the 0. 1 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 5 and 0 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Second example, 5 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 5 by 7 and 0 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Third one, 4 by 77 plus 0 is equal to 4 by 77 and 0 plus 4 by 77 is equal to 4 by 77. Fourth example, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 is added to the 0, we get the 0. Case 2, multiplicative identity. One is called multiplicative identity. Any number multiply with 1 will get the same number. If a is any rational number, then a into 1 is equal to a or 1 into a is equal to a. This property is known as multiplicative identity. Example, 1 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 by 5 and 1 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Second one, 5 by 7 into 1 is equal to 5 by 7 and 1 into 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Third one, 4 by 77 into 1 is equal to 4 by 77 and 1 into 4 by 77 is equal to 4 by 77. Fourth example, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Multiply with the 1 will get the same number. So 1 is known as the multiplicative identity.